Good Sunday morning. Gazpacho. Gazpacho. Years ago in the 70s we're talking, I had my first gazpacho soup and I fell in love with it. And sangria. I came across a vintage ad. I think it's from the 60s. Campbell's Gazpacho. Using tomato soup, which scares me, man. Then I came across a 2024 Campbell's food service recipe for a gazpacho that makes 24 servings. I think the servings are a cup each, so let's cut that down to like a quarter. So we're doing a quarter of that recipe. None of them have cilantro. One has red wine vinegar, one has cider vinegar. You're supposed to chill both for about 4 hours. What really worries me about this one, it says to chill the sauce for 4 hours, and then it says serve with cucumber, pepper, and onion. The food service one, we add everything in and chill it for 4 hours. We'll chill the cucumber, pepper, and onion alongside the sauce and add it in when we're ready to serve, because that's what it says. We're following directions, and neither add salt or pepper. We're gonna start with the soup. Let's do it! 60s and 2024. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. 1 can of tomato soup. Oh, I'm worried, man. Campbell's tomato soup gazpacho. Be afraid. I'm afraid. One cup of water. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. There's no olive oil in the other one. I don't know why. It's a lot of olive oil. Okay. 2 tablespoons of wine vinegar. It's a brand new bottle. 1. 2. It's so weird. 1 large clove of garlic minced. It's so weird. Oh, even the picture of it doesn't look that good. I need a whisk. Get your whisk. I have a whisk. I bought a whisk. The beginning of the recipe said blend. It didn't say mix. It didn't say whisk. It said blend. We're going to blend it just for a couple of seconds. Let's blend. Okay. I feel better. Chill for 4 hours. Very weird. Campbell's food service gazpacho. It doesn't say to seed or peel the tomatoes. It just says tomatoes diced. Maybe you could use canned. We've got fresh. 2.5 cups. Ow! 2 cups of V8 juice. 2.5 cups of cucumber. Not quite half a cup of onion. Half a cup green, yellow, and red bell peppers. 2 tablespoons of parsley. Fresh parsley! 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. Okay. 3/4 tablespoon of garlic. It says half a tablespoon of hot pepper sauce. We'll use Tabasco. Give it a good shake. At least it's gonna be spicy. That's it. Campbell's food service gazpacho. That is very thick. I think we need more V8. Breaking the recipe. So we add a little more. It is pretty. It is. I would eat a bowl of this, maybe. And there you go. I'll see you in 4 hours when we combine the cucumber, onion, and pepper with this guy. So we're going on 5 hours. I am hungry. We have 1 cup cucumber, half a cup green pepper, 1/4 cup, this is sweet onion, Vidalia. It's what it said to do. It said serve with. Let's do it. This is it. 1960s, that looks really kind of weird to me. $20.24 Gazpacho. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I think that's going to be really good. That's what we're talking about. Oh, Lee. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's get some green pepper. Okay, 1960s Gazpacho. Should we be worried? Here we go. It's a very interesting flavor. It does have that little carryover of Campbell's tomato, but it's different, even though I don't taste all that vinegar. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Let's take another bite. Campbell's 1960s Gazpacho. I think it might need a little salt, which is weird because there's so much salt in Campbell's. It is sort of reminding me of Gazpacho, and yet not. I don't know what to make of it. This looks more like we're used to. All right, here we go. Campbell's Gazpacho 2024. Wow, I'm getting the spice. I'm getting the spice for sure. I'm missing the cilantro. I want a little hit of cilantro. I'm actually a little disappointed. I'm not sure why. I gotta say, I'm almost leaning towards the canned soup. This did not taste like I expected. It's not hitting the Gazpacho note for me. It's delicious. I would gladly eat a bowl of it, but it's not hitting the Gazpacho note for me. Probably because there's no cilantro. The garlic is giving them both a kick, even though we put hot sauce in there. This has a kick, and I think it's from that garlic. Final verdict. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. I'm not as disappointed as I thought I might be, and I'm a little disappointed in that. Nobody's watching, you're not watching. Gracie, don't look. Don't look, Gracie. Don't look, Gracie. What have we done? Now see, that looks more pleasant. Let's take a bite. Huh. This tastes better. Oh, I like it. That's so funny. Together they taste better. You think I'm kidding? I'm not kidding. There it is. I'll pick up some cilantro tomorrow. Let's do it. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. It's like summer in a bowl. It's lunchtime. It's been in the fridge for a long time now. Let's give this gazpacho one more try. Day 2 of our gazpacho fiasco. All right, here we go. Let's not waste any more time. Here we go. Oh, that is so much better. I still think it needs just a little bit of salt. I do, just a little bit of salt. Oh, wow. If you're going to make gazpacho, let it sit overnight. Oh, yeah. If you've never had gazpacho, you've got to have gazpacho. I don't care what recipe. Just make sure you let it marinate. Get the flavors infused. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.
Now we add salt. Gazpacho eggs! Gazpacho eggs. Lots of cheese. Can I do it?
Hey, what about me?
It's chunky.
I'm a little cucumber.
Flavor's good. Good.
Oh, you almost got me.
A lot of gazpacho.
Come over here.
I wasn't sure I'd like gazpacho with eggs. Oh. Hey, thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? It's like a plate of salad and eggs. It's like salad and eggs on a plate. I'm sorry.
Whoa! Ow!
It's like summer and eggs on a plate.